Hi everyone, welcome back to class. In this video, we will focus on introduction and features of the Java. At first, we will look at the introduction part of the Java. So, at first, what is Java? So, similar to other programming languages like Python, C++, C, Java is also one of the popular high-level programming languages which is used to develop applications for many platforms and devices such as mobile apps, web apps, cloud-based applications and so on. So whenever we talk about the topic Java, at first the thing that we get into our mind is platform independent. So what does it mean? So Java is platform independent, which means the code that you write in Java will be run on any operating system. So either it can be Windows operating system or Mac OS or Linux operating system. So any other operating system. And next, Java is high level programming language, which means the code that we written in Java is similar to human understandable language. So this high level language cannot be understood by computers. So whenever we write the Java code, it is get compiled and then converted into the machine language which the computer can able to understand and execute it successfully. So this is what Java is. And now we will focus on key features of the Java. So the first feature is simple. So when we talk about the syntax of Java, Java is a clean and easy to understand syntax. So the beginners who want to learn this Java can easily be understandable the syntax of the Java. So this makes it different from other programming languages where the syntax can be somewhat differ and complex. And the next feature is object oriented. So everything in the Java is considered as object. So which means it uses object and classes in order to structure the code. So the mainly focus is on objects which represent the real world entities and those objects interact with each other objects. So whenever we talk about the class, a class is a blueprint of an object. So inside the class we will be having properties and the behavior. And next talking about the object. So a object is an instance of a class. So whenever we create a class, it's mandatory to create the object for that class in order to access the variables and methods that exist in the class. So this is what class and object is. And next, Java is platform independent. So as I said previously, Java follows write once, run anywhere. So if you write a Java code, that code can be executed on any operating system, but that operating system should have installed JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. So this is what platform independent. And the next important feature is secure. So Java has a built-in security features like ability to restrict access to certain parts of a system, which means suppose if you write a Java code and compile it, then it will get converted into bytecode, right? So the bytecode will run into the Java virtual machine. So their Java virtual machine acts as a protective barrier between the Java program and the operating system. So this way it provides much security that it do not allow others to access the Java code that we have written. And next, talking about the multi-threading. So multi-threading means multiple tasks can be executed simultaneously at a time, which means suppose if you take a YouTube as an example, there we can see streaming the video and downloading the content and handling the user requests, and with that processing the recommendation can be done simultaneously, which means at a time all these actions can be performed, right? So this is what multi-threading. So Java helps the concept multi-threading where multiple tasks can be run at a same time. And next, the next important feature of Java is memory management. So whenever we talk about the memory management, the first thing get into our mind is garbage collector. So what does it mean? So garbage collection is a process that automatically removes unused objects from a program's memory, which means if your mobile, suppose let us consider a mobile as our example. If the mobile contains the videos which are no longer in use, so there we make use of this garbage collector which deletes all those videos that are no longer in use. So this is how it helps in managing the memory and keeping the memory reliable. So this is what memory management is. So thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.